Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering up the Alesis Q49 and getting a reliable connection. Plug the USB cable into your computer, use a powered hub if ports are shared, then attach any optional sustain pedal or 9V adapter. You don't need drivers on most modern systems, but if your host doesn't detect MIDI, install the Alesis driver. Once done, open your DAW or MIDI monitor so you can watch incoming notes. This confirms basic hardware and connection are working before moving to mapping and sound. Next, you configure MIDI routing and the keyboard range so the Q49 plays the sounds you need. Select the MIDI channel on the keyboard only when coordinating multiple controllers, otherwise leave it on channel 1. Use the octave up and down buttons to shift register. Hold the octave modifier for quicker jumps when you need extreme ranges. In your DAW, choose the Q49 as the MIDI input for your virtual instrument and enable reception of all notes. Then test a few keys to confirm notes land in the instrument. Finally, customize performance controls and lock in a reliable workflow. Use your DAW's MIDI learn to bind the mod wheel and pitch bend to expressive synth parameters. Once mapped, save a template so tracks and mappings reload instantly. Set your audio buffer low enough for playable latency. Try 64 or 128 samples and label tracks for clarity. If notes don't appear, check USB power, swap cables, confirm MIDI channel matches, and look for driver conflicts. If problems persist, restart the keyboard.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.